Notice, your safety and the safety of others are important to Honda. Always refer to the owner's manual for clarification and more detail on the processes shown in this video. Welcome to the Honda Power Equipment video on how to operate your HRX217HYA and HRX217HZA lawnmowers. In this video, we'll show you how to properly and safely operate your new lawnmower. Your mower has a yellow blade control button, blade control lever, drive clutch lever, orange shift lever, black throttle lever, and starter grip. If you purchase the electric start model, you also have battery pack and key switch. Always check the oil level in your lawnmower before every use. The fuel valve controls the flow of fuel from the fuel tank to the carburetor. When the lever is off or vertical, fuel does not flow to the carburetor. The fuel valve should be in the off position anytime the lawnmower is not being used. When the lever is on or horizontal, fuel flows to the carburetor. Turn the fuel valve on to start the lawnmower. The throttle lever controls the engine speed. Put the lever in the fast position when starting the engine and when mowing. Move the throttle lever to the fast position. With all control levers released, pull lightly on the starter grip until you feel resistance and then pull briskly. Don't let go of the starter grip. Allow the rope to return gently. The throttle lever controls the engine speed. Put the lever in the fast position when starting the engine and when mowing. Move the throttle lever to the fast position. With all control levers released, turn the key switch to the start position and hold it until the engine starts. Then release the key and allow it to return to the on position. Do not hold the key in the start position for more than 5 seconds or starter motor damage may occur. If the engine fails to start, release the key and wait 10 seconds before operating the starter again. If the battery is not charged enough to start the engine, turn the key to the run position and start the engine using the starter grip. Always put the throttle lever in the fast position when starting the engine and when mowing. Press and hold the yellow blade control button and quickly push the blade control lever against the handlebar to engage the cutting blades. To stop the cutting blades at any time, release the blade control lever. The shift lever works together with the drive clutch lever to set the actual speed of the mower. To adjust your mowing speed, with the engine running and cutting blades engaged, hold the drive clutch lever against the handlebar and move the shift lever to a position that produces a comfortable speed. When you need to empty the grass bag or transport the mower, release the drive clutch lever and blade control lever. The lawnmower and cutting blades stop, making it safe for you to empty the grass bag or transport the mower over terrain you do not want to mow. To re-engage the cutting blades after you have reinstalled the grass bag or moved to a new area of grass to cut, make sure the throttle is in the fast position. Then press and hold the yellow blade control button and quickly push the blade control lever to the handlebar. Hold the drive clutch lever against the handlebar and move the shift lever to a position that produces a comfortable speed. When you are finished mowing or want to stop the engine, release the drive clutch lever and blade control levers, then move the throttle to the off position. Then turn the fuel valve off anytime the lawnmower is not in use. This concludes the video tutorial on how to operate your HRX217HYA and HRX217HZA Honda lawnmower. Always refer to the owner's manual for clarification and more detail on the processes shown in this video.